So this strategy is for daily strategy, right? We'll focus on the hot coins of the day. Every time you open DexScreener or Pump Fun or GMGN, you always need to sort of look for what's the current meta. Like right now, the market is a little bit like out of the narratives. But every time there's something happening, because Solana is a news chain, there will be very frequently new coins launching about anything that just happens. We had the Mudang, that was like a famous hippo in a zoo. Then we had the squirrel. I don't. Yeah, the name was like Peanut. So if you are really early into these kind of coins, you can make like really a lot of money. Obviously, the smaller the news is, then the smaller the gains are going to be on the coin. Um, then obviously it can be a new random meme, but there's obviously like a ton of memes right now, so you have to be really picky about the ones that you choose. Once again, we had so many of these Trump coins. They are still launching till this day. But yeah, like I said, it depends really. Like, what's the current narrative? So when I'm scanning the market, I always look, like what's trending. Like yesterday, I believe it was we had Kanye West, or right now his name is yeah. Um, he is kind of teasing launching a coin. So right now, for me, what it makes sense is to focus on these coins. If he's gonna launch a coin, and if you are, one of the first to know if it's, obviously gonna go to zero, if you know about it within the first hour or first 5 minutes, the sooner the better. You can make easily 10 to 20x with very good size. So right now these coins are trending, like the celebrity are trending. I can see like a lot of coins, um, and they're gonna do good, um, because even though like everyone knows it's not the real one, still there is volume and attention in these coins. We can see Portnoy, that's another influencer or famous person. I don't think this is like actually his own coin. Yeah, probably it isn't by the amount of transactions that you can see here. But yeah, right now we have Coke, we have yeah, this is like the trend of the day. I mean, it's not very strong right now because we have weekends, so it's not the best time for the markets to actually do something. We had I guess like 1 week ago we had like this narrative that the bull market is over and we'll have to go to the McDonald's, to work back again. So once you kind of see like the vibes are shifting, then you can actually go and look for these coins, because I was almost certain they were gonna show up, because it's what the mind share is right now. So this is like the first step. What I do, if if I find any coin and he fits the narrative, it's like a plus point. It's not necessarily it means that I'm gonna focus only on coins or whatever. But if the coin is with a good narrative, it's a very strong reason for me to even DCA into the coin. Um, So yeah, today we'll focus on bonded coins. So first of all, what uh, coin bonding means. We have two platforms, Moonshot, which is from Dex Cleaner, and we have PumpFun. When you have a coin from PumpFun, they have a contract address, which is basically like the name of the coin. It always ends with pump. When you have Moonshot coins, they always end with moon. Okay, so it's two different websites, but they are very similar. Once they launch, the once someone is gonna create the coin, then it's gonna have roughly $4,000 market cap. It needs to go to $80,000 or around $80,000 market cap, let's say. Once it's gonna reach that, and it doesn't have to reach it, because when the creator is gonna sell or everyone's gonna sell, it's gonna go basically to zero again. But when the market cap is gonna get to $100,000, it's being bonded, which means uh, essentially it goes from pump fun or a moonshot to radium/meteora, which are places for liquidity pools, which then the coin can be traded on Meteora, on Jupiter, very easily. Right now, with Bitfoot, you can trade pump fund coins even before the bonding, but usually, like before, it wasn't the case. So it is actually like a good indication of the coin, like that is gonna go up once it reaches the bonding curve, which is roughly 80 or $90,000, which you can see on Pump Fun or on Moonshot. You can see the progress bar from like 0% to 100%. Once it bonds, usually people sell most of the time or quite often, which is the reason why we are using this strategy, because we want to look for coins that already bonded. That means there were enough people to buy, even if it was just one person or 10,000 people. There was enough buyers or more buyers than sellers. And even though you would say, $1,000 coin is not, with the market cap, it's not huge. That's exactly the reason why we are doing this. Because it's very easy to pump this coin to 1 or 10 or $100 million market cap. And this is where you can make the gains. If you buy a coin that has, I don't know, $700 million market cap, it's already too late, So this is the reason why we are focusing on these coins. I would say it's a little bit safer once it's already bonded, and it still has, this is what I highlighted here, at least $100,000 market cap. Obviously, I would say like the more the coin is old, the better, or the safer it could be. But at the same time, um, when the coin is younger or newer, let's say, then it usually has like better volume. This is what I highlighted here as well. Look for volume. Like you don't want to be buying a $100,000 coin just because I told you so. But you want to see actually that these coins are still alive and there is some volume, some buying activity, ideally. You can check the volume if it's real or not on gatecap.io. You just simply copy and paste the contract address, and you see how much or yeah, how big the fake volume is. Usually, it could be like roughly 20% is okay. It's probably never gonna be zero. But if the fake volume is over 50%, then it's pretty bad. So yeah, the market cap should be at least $100,000, but should not be bigger. I would say not even $1 million market cap or $2 million market cap, because then you always have to look at it from a perspective that if the market cap is 1 million, for me to make 10x, it needs to go to $10 million market cap, which is not so easy, even in current conditions, especially. Most coins will probably go to $1 million market cap and then they will die. So this is why you could focus on, getting these coins from $100,000 market cap to, let's say, 1 million or 2 million, which is like 10 to 20x. Obviously, you will not probably make it with $10,000. I mean, probably you could, but the coin is very, very small for you to buy for this amount of money. And it's also very, very risky. So, like I said, from $100,000 market cap, you can make 10x your money quite easily. I'm not saying like you're gonna make it every single time, but essentially, if you make it at least once out of 9 times, you are still making more money than losing money, which is, crucial for making it. Um, like I said, buy into strength, which means buy coins with a good chart. Obviously, like it's not easy to say like this is a good chart, this is a bad chart, but ideally you want to see at least some buyers, right? Like if the coin is consolidating, is going like sideways, it's okay. But if the coin is just going downhill, well, usually it doesn't work out. And at the same time, you don't want to be top blasting. Top blasting means you are buying the top. You are buying when the coin is going up so much, you're buying there. So you want to find somewhere in the middle. I usually like to buy the coin when it's consolidating, so going sideways, not exactly dumping or just going nuts. Then we have if the token is live, that's what I said. If the token is alive after 24 hours after bonding, there is something about the coin because most coins will die after 24 hours or if, even after bonding, even like sooner than that. So uh, you can go to GMGN and let me make this a little bit better. We go to the first column right here, which is called meme. You can focus on, I mean, for GMGN, I don't know, for some reason they have it separated. Um, so you can like switch between these two. But what I suggest is you um this one is up to you. You can actually even make it like older, but most of these coins here will be from like 10 hours to maybe 24 hours. But there's not that many coins um in this part after 24 hours. So we want to do like less than 24 hours so we get all the coins. Obviously, you can focus on like small time frames, but this doesn't like you could probably go for like 6 hours, but I wouldn't go for like 10 minutes because when the coin is live and it's being bonded, then and it's live for 10 minutes, it can die within 1 minute. But if it's live for 6 hours and it's still above $100,000 market cap, it's pretty good, right? So maybe let's go for 1 hour. But there's not gonna be. Oh yeah, that's less than. Okay, yeah, we have to really go for more, um, because I've said right now like the market cap is pretty dead, just for the weekend, and there's not really too much happening, and I've selected coins from $1,000 market cap or $100,000 market cap to 1 million. We can probably go for like 2 million, but I don't think there's gonna be that many. Um. So yeah, we go for 24 hours. Obviously, you can choose it here. You can say like, the minimum you want like 1 hour, the maximum you want like, I don't know, 10 hours, whatever. It's up to you. Um, so we have coins here that are in this range. Then I have to like scroll here. We can do the audit. We want to do no mint, no blacklist. The liquidity we want to be burnt, and we want top 10 holders. I would say like 20% insiders maximum. Um, should be fine. We can, choose whether they've sold or hasn't sold. That's probably not really interesting because if the coin is live for 24 hours, then it should be fine. Either way, if the dev sold or hasn't sold. Wait, let me. Okay, so I mean, the first one I'm seeing here is yeah. Right now it's filtered by the newest one all the way to the oldest one. Right here you can see there's probably like not even 20 coins, which is good because you don't want to be picking from 100 coins. And we can go through what's happening here. So what I'm seeing here, if we sort it by the market cap, that's one way to do it. Another way would be to focus on the volume, right? Because the amount of holders doesn't actually like mean too much. Even the market cap, uh, is not that interesting to me. Like, I mean, if I see a coin with really this huge market cap within 1 hour, it could be an interesting one. So let's open it and let's check it. Even the volume is pretty huge here, so that's cool. If we sort it by the biggest hour volume, we can see like a huge volume here compared to the market cap. So that's also like pretty crazy. We can see, all the settings are pretty good. And the coin is live for 1 hour. So that's quite cool. Same thing here. We have the coin live for 19 minutes. Um, and like I said, you should be yeah, let's not open all of these because I'm gonna be lagging. Uh, the I would say, yeah, I just forgot what I wanted to say, but if the coin is live for, like 1 hour and it has this huge volume, it can be fake. So just be aware of that. Now let me check. It looks really nice. Like this is the kind of chart you probably want to be buying. We can see that the guy is still holding, so we can go for gate kept and check how much of the volume is actually fake. Like this chart looks good, almost like too good to be true. I'm gonna check for the fake volume and insiders. Fake volume just 5%, insiders made. Like this looks really good, and the market cap is not that huge. TST, this is why it's really important to be always online. TST is like a coin. This one is like a parody on Solana, because there was this test coin launched on Binance Smart Chain, and it was kind of like launched by Binance. So this coin, like someone made it on Solana just like to troll it because someone already created the same amount of coin. So yeah, this coin like made pretty huge numbers already. But yeah, I mean we can see like top 10 holders own just 2%. It's okay. So yeah, this would be kind of a coin. It has really good like dispersion of the coins, even like probably too good. Um, Not too many people own a lot of money. They're in some kind of profit. This one is probably gonna go even higher. I would say. Um, so we can just go and we can buy it. Um, I'm probably not gonna go and buy it now, but this is kind of like you know what I was trying to tell you. Like this is combining the filters with really good narrative, which I think like this is pretty good narrative. And like I said, we are seeing a huge volume. I don't know where to see it now for some reason. Uh, but yeah, the volume is just crazy. We just saw 36,000 transactions, $6.5 million volume. Um, yeah, this is like when you see it. Wait, oh wait, this is the second one. 1.4 million, 1.7 million market cap. Yeah, 2 hour altcoin. So it's a little bit too late to be buying this one. Um, but I mean the chart looks okay. You probably want to buy some sort of a dip here. This is what I'm like telling you, like uh no to blasting. I mean you can obviously buy it for just a little bit, just to have some exposure. So let's buy it for like at least not for one Solana. Because I feel like this is gonna go way higher. Obviously, then you can like check the socials. Yeah, there is some Telegram. Yeah, there's no Twitter probably. Yeah, there's no Twitter. So this is probably gonna run. I mean, you have to really like get used to like how hard this can go. I don't think like this can go like to maybe this can go to 10 million. Um, but it really it depends. Like it depends on the time of the day, etc. Like how many coins are actually running and stuff like that. So yeah, there's this yeah coin. Right now it has $500,000 market cap. We can see it's up 100% in the last hour. Um, yeah, that's probably a good one to look at. We can still see what is kind of weird about this coin is that the volume is just the same all the time. That's kind of weird. It's kind of weird, I have to say. That's why I only put in like an Oppo One Solana. Um, but it feels good. Like a lot of these wallets are snipers, but not for a huge amount. Like this is like what I look for when I say like a perfect coin with top 100% owned. It's really weird. Like top 100% only owns. That's weird. Oh yeah, this. Yeah. Let me check how many. $400. Okay, so this one looks good. Let's look for yeah. Um, this one is a little bit older. So obviously, the younger the coin, I would call it, let's say, is the easier you are, or the easier it is to spot the trend. Like I said, this one is 2 hour old, and it's already up by 400%. If we look at yeah, there is a huge volume as well. Um, What's the market cap? The market cap is $500,000. The volume is $500,000. That's pretty good. And this coin is, you can see this coin is live for 20 hours right now. Because that's what I said. Like someone was, or Kaney was on his Twitter speculating about doing a coin. Someone launched it pretty well. I mean, it did have like a slight dip here, or well, quite big of a drop. 80%, but it's still going up. So, I mean, this looks pretty cool to me. Um, we have some people with negative PNL even. Uh, Top 50 holders own 50% of the coin, which is fine. We have 40,000 owners. That's pretty impressive. I mean, compared to like the coin is not huge. So like, yeah, let's buy this one as well. I mean, I'm feeling good about this one. No, this is the test still. So yeah, as you can see, very easily just bought a little bit. Like the point for me to buy is not ideal, but I can still DCA into this coin because with this Kanye West, I believe like this could go for another like 1 or 2 days. So I think for me, I would be targeting like 2x and just get out of the coin. Can you explain what this means? When there is next to the address rune. I haven't heard about this code in CA. So I don't know. But yeah, it looks good. Uh the volume is dropping a little bit. Um but it looks okay, at least to me. I mean, obviously with this of with this kind of a chart, it's just going up only. Um it's weird. Maybe it's gonna rock. I don't know. Maybe they um obviously when you are buying a copycat which test token for Solana is a copycat of the Binance coin, you have to be, really cautious because it's just someone who launched like a copy of another coin, then it doesn't have to do very well. So yeah, that's what I would look for. I would look, if the meme, when I look at it, is funny, and then we can see, it's been all of them were launched on Pump Fun. We can see another test that was launched like just 1 hour ago. Um, but yeah, not many of these actually at first glance look funny. There is this one coin with really huge volume, so we can check it out as well. Um, all right, should be okay. Just things. Yes, I will paste it here to run the test address as well. So yeah, here we can see the the coin is just flying and now it's dropping. There's a like a big reversal. I mean, the coin is really old, so it's probably someone like trying to pump it all of a sudden. Wait, what is it? 1 hour? That's weird. Uh, that's weird. I don't know why the chart is like so weird in this case, but I would not be buying this. Like, oh, yeah, like just I would just buy it, but you need to be very strict. Once it goes 50% down, then you are out, let's say. But this is not 50%, obviously. So yeah, let's share the test in the chat. Obviously, it's not like endorsement or anything, but yeah, here's the coin. Uh, is it possible to buy faster without confirming? Yes, I will show you. So yeah, this is the first part of the today's stream. And yeah, essentially, it is very easy to buy without confirming. I've already set it up, which is what you could see, right? Because before I bought, like when I bought the, wait, let me move things around. When I bought the coin, I didn't confirm anything. So I think you have to go to, where is it? The settings and then defaults, I believe. Because yeah, there is yeah, here you can see settings, defaults, confirmation. For Solana, I have asked to confirm buy off, asked to confirm sell off, asked to confirm delete off. So we have confirm buy here, and then we have confirm sell here. So I have confirmed delete off as well. When you just click on it, it's gonna be on. When you click once again, it's gonna be off. So yeah, that's how I just when I paste in the address, I can do it. I just click it and then it is bought. Um, there was one more thing I wanted to show you today, which is paste and buy, which is like new feature we just rolled out, and partial limit orders. I was checking before we started the stream. Um, I have noticed that I thought, when you paste the wait, let me do it again. If you go to settings, you should be able to set on that when you paste the contract address, it's gonna be bought automatically. But right now it doesn't work yet. I hope it will work very soon. But here is how I set it up. T-priority, yeah, all to buy amount of SOL on forwarded message. Uh, in the future, I hope and I believe it will work the same way. That means you just paste the contract address and you auto buy for zero point 0.1 Solana, let's say, which is very convenient because it saves you, I don't know, like 5 seconds to like choose how much you want to buy for. Uh, but right now it only works with forwarded messages. So I can go for Solana pings, and then oh yeah, this is the pigeon. We already caught it in the pings, and this is yeah. Uh, so what you can do, and we have another pen coin here. So you can see I'm showing you exactly the same coins or very much similar coins that are being posted in the Solana alpha pings. So what you can do is you click on forward, and then you click on Bitfoot. Once you paste, it automatically buys. For some reason, I'm already at profit. I don't know why, but right. So this is what you can do right now, and then you can very easily like I'm gonna sell some of these, so I don't have to hold them. Um, but as you can see, I set up zero point 0.1 Solana, and it bought for zero point 0.1 Solana. Um, we can check how are these doing. The Yak coin and the TST. It's not doing so well. I'm probably just gonna cut these. Uh, but this is like a very good, like I said, after the coin is bonded, because you want to be buying coins that already, have proven to be somewhat funny, somewhat good. Um, and you want to be buying the ones with very, very high volume. So yeah, let's just sell these two. And actually what we can do is I'm gonna show you one more new feature, which is partial limit orders. So let's go to start, and then where is it? We can do there's a limit buy as well, but what you can do is yeah, let's buy this one for zero point 0.1 Solana. I should have done it before, never mind. And then you can do limit orders here for the TST coin, and then you can do add new. So here you can choose to only sell 50%, or it's up to you, how much you want to sell of the coin. If you want to go for the limit order for maximum, you just type in max. If you want to do 50%, here we can see I have 10.531K, which means thousands. So I only want to sell like 50%. So I'm only gonna sell 5,000. Um, and I will toggle auto sell, and I don't have the trigger price yet. So I have to do price. Let's do wait, I have yeah, let's do it again. Let's do take profit. We can do market cap, and we can do like I don't know what's the market cap right now, but I believe it was around $2 million market cap. So let's do 3 million. So once it reaches 59%, I'm gonna sell um, around 50%. So that means we'll be out. Well, this would have to be after 100%, but you get what I mean. If you want to go for stop loss, you can do also the same thing. And you can do, once the price reaches $1 million market cap, which is roughly 50% drawdown, I'm gonna sell 50 as well. Unfortunately, right now it only works for the same amount. But usually, if you want to set like a take profit on a coin that you kind of know it's gonna go up, and you want to take some profit, then it makes sense to this is what I really would suggest. You set take profit for once it goes plus 100%, you take out your initials. You don't have to be by your computer or phone. You take out initials, and then you're good to go. All right, thank you. Can you please explain the new bot functions one-to-one also in yeah, probably I already explained what you were asking for. Um, so yeah, that's the main functions. I hope very soon we'll be able to buy just straight. Once you paste the contract address, it would be buying automatically. Um, but what you can do is once you see the the pink, um, you can very easily, from Telegram, you can analyze the chart. You can check for the tops and holders, etc. And then you can very simply forward it into Bitfoot and then very easily buy it straight. And it's gonna be probably a little bit faster than if you were to buy to Bitfoot and then just type in the amount. Um, so yeah, that's it. I'm gonna sell these two right now. Uh, but it's really I would say plus EV to really look for the coins that already bonded. Like I said, ideally, you know, you don't have to probably look up every single ticker that you see. Um, but if there's like a very big volume on one of these coins, it's really great to, just check what it is about. Like this uh this coin, yeah, you would see like it's probably gonna go to zero. But it made like 10x after, it's probably gonna die. Um, so when you see like this, you can search it on Twitter very easily, and you can like analyze like what it is about. Like, is it something everyone is talking about, or is it just like random coin that someone is buying fake volume for? So yeah, uh, this is pretty much it. Uh, Yeah, there's one more question. I had the auto sell at 40% profit. Sometimes I notice that the decision failed, it does not go through. Uh, I feel it just stops after the yes. Yes, you're right. I don't know why this happens. For the auto profit. Maybe the reason is like some of the settings can be set up wrong, like low gas or low slippage. Usually it's gonna be slippage. So that's what I suggest to probably like play around with the settings a little bit. Uh, so you have to just sell it manually when it doesn't happen. What is the percent of your token? There's a lot of like access to the academy. I believe profit sharing as well, but you don't have to quote me on that. Okay, so let's stop the sharing and the recording.